What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shoney's Small Engines. Have this Honda here. It's actually a Husqvarna with a Honda engine on it, gcv160, and as you saw, it does not run very well. It'll start, but it just keeps running at almost like it's choked out and, puffing some smoke. So I'll show you what happens with these and how to fix it. So it's a real quick fix, cheap part. I'll put a link in the description where to buy this part. And again, thanks guys for watching. Thanks for all the guys that are subscribing, checking out my other materials. Definitely helps the channel grow. So let's get started. Let's show you what's wrong with this. So let's get this cover off, and then we'll take the air box. We don't need to take it completely off. We just need to get it out of the way. So two 10mm bolts there. Okay, just push that to the side. Don't lose anything. It's best if you don't let this all come apart. Then we just got to pop this guy off here. You can see that. And right here, you can see, is this is called a Thermowax. It's part of your auto choke. That part, as it gets warm, pushes this little pin out. And when they go bad, it stops pushing this pin out, which stops opening the choke lever, and the motor will run poorly. So the part is right here. When it's cold, the pin is in. When it gets warm, the pin pushes out. So I'll show you how to replace that. You can see the pin right there. We just want to reach in with a needle nose. Sometimes these are kind of like glued in. Just want to grab it, squeeze, and pull straight out. So we'll take the new one. We'll push it straight in there. Again, that's not coming out of there. There's enough glue from the factory that it's going to be, it barely moves just with the needle nose. So with this covering it, it's not going to go anywhere. So now we're just going to reverse the process. Make sure that this gasket is here. Again, if you don't take this airbox all apart, it just makes it real easy. Put the adapter on for the auto choke. Remember, this piece goes right over top of there because that's what pushes. Right on top there. Line up your screws. Start these with your fingers. Make sure your vent hose is on in the back here. Just a little hose that pops on right here. And we'll close this up. Get our air box on. And let's see if it idles now. Alright, cool. So that starts right up, and the choke turns off automatically. It runs much better. So just a $9 part on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description how to get that. Very easy fix. Don't even need to take the carburetor apart. Just need to pull this off, put the new piece on. That's it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to check out my other material here, and like and subscribe, I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.